Hi, it's Richard Smith from Porsche Centre Kendal here on another exciting site visit to our Porsche Centre South Lakes showroom. Now it's getting very close to our opening, so I'm just going to take you on another quick site visit before the finishing touches are all done and take a look around. Let's go. So this is our workshop, as you can see, for any of you that had the chance to go and view our current site and our current workshop, it is a lot bigger. So there's enough space here for 6 workshop bays. We've also got an MOT bay and our direct dialogue bay just through there. So this is the amazing new direct dialogue bay. This will give our technicians the perfect chance to take your car on in a safe environment and give you a walk around to show you any issues that they've picked up that you might need to look at and show you in person. It also gives you the opportunity to show anything that you want them to look at, and they can see it up on a lift in a safe environment with you. So this is our brand new Handover Bay. For anyone coming in and picking up a brand new Porsche from Porsche South Lakes, this is the building and this is the space where you'll pick your car up from. So you'll come in, you'll be greeted by your salesperson, and then you'll see your brand new Porsche waiting for you to take it home. And you'll drive straight out them doors and off you go to enjoy your brand new Porsche. So this is our stunning new showroom. As you can see, and anyone that's been to our current location in Porsche Centre Kendal, it is miles bigger. You can have up to 16 cars in the showroom at general times. You'll have your cafe lounge, your PDS section. It is going to be absolutely stunning, and we can't wait to invite everyone here in a couple of months' time. Behind me here is the Specking Lounge. Now this is where you'll come with your salesperson and you'll go through the colour samples, the interior samples, the wheel options, and this will help you design and spec your perfect Porsche. This is the iconic Porsche logo. It should be perfectly visible from whether you're travelling north or south on the M6 motorway at junction 35 near Carnforth. It's going to become an icon of the motorway.